Taylor Swift fans, known for their loyalty and activism, are rallying online against Judge Aileen Cannon, a Trump-appointed official presiding over a copyright lawsuit against Swift. The case, filed by poet Kimberly Marasco, claims Swift used her poetry without permission in several albums, including Lover, Folklore, Midnights, and the Tortured Poets Department. Judge Cannon's decision to keep the case alive has sparked outrage across Swift's fanbase, as her motions to dismiss have been repeatedly denied. The lawsuit against Taylor Swift has rapidly turned into a flashpoint for controversy, not only because of its copyright claims but due to the involvement of Judge Aileen Cannon, who was appointed to the district court by former President Donald Trump in 2020. Marasco, the plaintiff, initially filed her suit in small claims court, seeking minimal compensation of just $100 and a writer's credit on Swift's work. However, her case was escalated to federal court in the Southern District of Florida, where it eventually came under Judge Cannon's jurisdiction. In recent months, Marasco amended her complaint, increasing her damages claim to over $7 million, alleging that Swift's work incorporates specific expressions from her poems, particularly Fallen from Grace and Dealing with Chronic Illness, Vestibular Neuritis. Marasco argues that these creative elements, which she claims are integral to her poetry, have appeared in Swift's songs and choreography without permission. Swift's legal team, firmly rejecting Marasco's allegations, has twice filed for dismissal. Their first filing in May argued the lawsuit was legally and factually baseless, urging Judge Cannon to reject any future amendments. Swift's team contended that the claims lack any substantive evidence showing that Swift or her collaborators had drawn directly from Marasco's work. By September, Swift's attorneys submitted a second dismissal motion, arguing that Marasco's lawsuit failed to establish a valid copyright infringement claim, confusing general themes and phrases with actual protectable expressions. Yet, despite these efforts, Judge Cannon denied both dismissal requests in a September 19 ruling, stating that the case should proceed to the next stage. The Swift fanbase, known for its digital solidarity and vocal support, quickly took to social media in response to Judge Cannon's latest ruling. One fan posted a tweet, reminding others, "Remember, Trump hates Taylor Swift," referencing Trump's comments on Truth Social earlier this year after Swift voiced her support for Vice President Kamala Harris. Another fan tweeted that Cannon's denial of Swift's motions felt like Trump and Cannon up to dirty tricks, accusing them of potentially bias-driven decisions aimed at damaging Swift's reputation. For Swifties, this lawsuit represents more than just a legal dispute. Many see it as part of a broader, politicized issue influenced by Trump's earlier statements about Swift, especially after she publicly aligned herself with one of his political rivals. Judge Cannon's recent rulings have placed her under significant public scrutiny. Cannon's high-profile handling of cases, particularly her involvement in Trump's classified documents case, has sparked ongoing public debate. After dismissing charges in the classified documents case earlier this year, many questioned her impartiality, especially considering her previous association with Trump. Now, with Swift's lawsuit gaining traction, her role in deciding the pop star's fate has only intensified public interest and criticism. Fans argue that her past rulings suggest a political inclination, with some alleging that her continued oversight of Swift's case could be influenced by Trump's known animosity toward the singer. Swift's copyright lawsuit has evolved into a polarizing issue that goes beyond legal boundaries, touching on political dynamics that her fans are all too aware of. With Judge Cannon's rulings under constant scrutiny, many Swifties feel that their idol is facing an uphill battle. As the case unfolds, Swift's team continues to push for dismissal, while her fans rally behind her, calling for transparency and fairness in a case they believe should have been dismissed long ago. Whether the outcome will ultimately favor Swift remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: her fans will continue to voice their support every step of the way.